Today we're making these Strawberry Banana Smoothie Bowls. These are so delicious. They only take 10 minutes to make and the kids absolutely love them. Hi, I'm Tara with Simply Made Eats and welcome to my channel. Today we're making these easy smoothie bowls. These are so delicious. They're great for breakfast and also for dessert. They are loaded with fruit. We've also got a lot of protein from the almond butter and milk and Greek yogurt. So these are pretty healthy. The kids absolutely love these and they save so much money from going to like the juice bar and getting those like giant acai bowls that cost like $15. They're just as delicious, so let's get started. We're gonna first get started by just prepping our toppings. You can use whatever you want here, but I'm gonna be using some granola. This is like a vanilla coconut granola. It just looked really good, so I grabbed it. We've also got some blueberries that I've went ahead and rinsed and dried. And then we're gonna be chopping up about, I would say between 4 and 6 strawberries. I like a lot of strawberries on my smoothie bowls, but it's up to you. These are fresh strawberries. We're gonna be using frozen strawberries for the actual base. And then we're gonna be slicing up just about a half of a banana. Another thing I like to do before I actually make the smoothie bowl base is to go ahead and stick our bowl in the freezer. I'm using these really cute little wooden bowls from Target, but you can use whatever bowl you want. The smoothie bowls like to melt like as soon as they hit the bowl, so just having the frozen one really helps it just to stay solid for a little bit longer. Next, we're gonna get together that smoothie bowl base that we're looking for. We're gonna be using a cup and a half of frozen strawberries. I really recommend frozen in this. It just like gives it that really nice icy texture. I've also got a half of a frozen banana. You can use regular sliced banana in this too. I just find that frozen works a little bit better. Then we're gonna add a tablespoon of almond butter or peanut butter. I kind of like the almond butter better just because it's not like a really strong taste like peanut butter is. We've also got 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. We've got 1 tablespoon of honey, and everything's linked in the description if you guys need to get the recipe after. And last, we've just got a tablespoon of milk. You can use almond milk, oat milk, regular milk. I'm using whole milk. Next, we're just gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth. This is gonna be on the thicker side, so you wanna make sure to scrape down the edges of the blender as you mix it. Make sure you use a high power blender for this one. Next, we're gonna grab our frozen bowl from the freezer. It definitely is really nice and cold too, even just sitting there for like 10 minutes or so. And then we're gonna pour our smoothie bowl into our bowl. It's so thick. It's like the perfect texture. I love it. And this makes like a pretty big smoothie bowl. Yeah, I could probably eat this for like 2 meals. Next, we're gonna do the funnest part, which is adding all of our toppings. I like to do about half of it with granola. Then we've got our blueberries, our strawberries. These just look so pretty too. And then just layer on those bananas. It's okay if some of them overlap. I just think it looks pretty to like section everything off, but you can do it however you want. Okay, then if you don't have time, you can totally eat it right now. I like to stick mine back in the freezer for about 10 minutes just to like solidify everything. Another yummy idea is like to drizzle honey, or you can even do like Nutella over the top. If it's dessert, do Nutella. It's so good. I'm obsessed with acai bowls with Nutella in them. It's so yummy. After 10 minutes, you can just pull them right out of the freezer and they're ready to eat. These are so delicious. That's it, we're all done with these Strawberry Banana Smoothie Bowls. I hope you guys love this recipe. It's such a quick and easy breakfast or dessert. Let me know in the comments if you make it. Make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe for new recipes every single week. Thanks so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.